You've probably seen these all over your news feeds. This is a rolling knife sharpener. It's not the expensive one, it's a cheaper one. So we're gonna open her up and check it out. Alrighty, so here is the items in the box. I bought this one because the reviews between this one and the $100 one were consistent with both positive and negative reviews. People were basically saying the same thing. Here is the magnet, and it has two sides. Here's the 20-degree side. 99.9% of you will use this. The 15-degree side is for specialty or professional knives that have hard steel. This is my Japanese knife. I don't know the brand name of it, I forget, because well, the brand name grommets came out. I just call it blue steel. Some of you might get that reference. As you can see, this knife is dull AF. "100 rolls later, each side." The silver side, which is the diamond side, is used first. Then the white side, which is the ceramic side, is used for honing, and second. Here's a close-up of the material that has been grinded off. And now the paper test. Not bad. We're running into a problem, as you can see, with the larger knives. The roller is too small, so I had to improvise. I believe the $100 roller is larger in diameter than this one. Also, it's much heavier, and the $100 model comes with a leather strap, which is integral in getting your knife even sharper. I give this 4 stars, whereas it doesn't get my knives razor sharp. It's better than nothing. It's better than one of these. And it's definitely better than the sharpener that came with your knife set. So my advice is, learn how to use a flat stone, like one of these. It takes some skill and some doing, but it does a much better job.